If you need to cancel your Airbnb subscription, follow these simple steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Airbnb website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. You can usually find this option by clicking on your profile picture or the menu icon. Step 3. Find subscription details. In the account settings, look for a section labeled Subscriptions or Membership. Click on it to view your current subscription details. Step 4. Initiate cancellation. Within the subscription details, you should see an option to cancel your subscription. Click on this option and follow any prompts to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After completing the cancellation process, check your email for a confirmation message from Airbnb. This will ensure that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Airbnb subscription. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Airbnb support for assistance.